In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to elevate your document's layout skills using Microsoft Word. Whether you're drafting a report, designing a flyer, or creating a neatly organized datasheet, mastering tables can really amp up your document's presentation. So let's dive into the steps of creating and customizing a table in Word. To start off, open your Microsoft Word file. If you're already working on a document, that's perfect. If not, open a new one so you can work alongside this guide. Once your document is open, let's move on to creating our table. For this demonstration, we'll create a simple 3x2 table. This setup allows us to have a neat and concise two-column structure, perfect for listing items, comparing data, or just organizing information into succinct sections. Now go ahead and type in whichever content you need in your table. In this example, I'll just pop in some numbers to keep it simple. Filling in your table can be as creative and detailed as you need it to be. Consider what will best represent the information you're trying to convey or the data you're planning to present. The beauty of Word is its flexibility to work with whatever information you have. Next, select the entire table. There's a little trick with Word tables which I'll share with you now: applying bullets. Head over to the paragraph section in your toolbar and you'll find the bullets option. It typically looks like 3 dots with lines beside each dot. Click that and watch as your table instantly morphs into a more structured list format. This is an excellent way to add clarity and improve the readability of your table contents, especially if you're dealing with lists or points you want to emphasize. Once that's done, select your table once more. This time we're going to the Table Design tab. Over in the upper right section, you'll find the Borders option. Click on that and you'll see a drop-down menu. From there, simply choose No Border. By doing this, you'll remove the borderline from the table, leaving you with a clean, grid-free look. This is particularly useful for when you want your document to appear cleaner or when you're making an informal list that doesn't require visible boundaries. And there you have it. With those simple steps, you're all set. You've just successfully created a borderless table in Microsoft Word with bulleted items. This approach not only gives a clutter-free appearance, but also acts as a handy layout trick to enhance readability. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone looking to make their document pop a bit more, you've now added an effective tool to your word processing arsenal. Thanks for tuning in and happy formatting.